Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the Visual Studio 2019 installation requirements. Let's come to Google and search it, Visual Studio 2019 requirements. You can see different websites and web pages about this matter. And this is the Microsoft official site, so let's select it. And this is the Visual Studio requirements. Great. First of all, let's talk about the supported operating systems. You can install Visual Studio on the Windows 10 with the version 17.03 or higher version. Don't forget this. And after that, you can install it on Windows Server 2019 and 2016 and Windows 8.1, Windows Server 2012 R2 release. And after that, you can install it in Windows 7 Service Pack 1. But you should update it to the latest Windows update. Great. And your Windows 7 should be the Home Premium, Professional, Enterprise, or Ultimate. Don't forget this matter. Now let's talk about the hardware requirements of Visual Studio. For running your Visual Studio, at the minimum you need this processor with the speed of 1.8 or faster one for better performance, and minimum 2 GB of RAM up to 8 GB recommended. If you wanna create the big projects and enterprise projects, you should use more RAM, for instance 8 GB or 10 GB. But the minimum needed RAM for Visual Studio is 2 GB. And after that, we need the free space on our hard disk drive. The minimum is about 1 GB up to 210 GB. The space required by the Visual Studio is based on the features you want to install on your computer. So the minimum space required by Visual Studio is 1 GB. And the typical installation requires about 20 up to 50 GB of free space. And after that, it's better to use SSD drive or solid state drive for better performance and faster results while you're working with Visual Studio. But you can run it with the HDD hard drive. And remember, if you want best performance while you're working with Visual Studio, it's better to use SSD. In addition, you can run it with the normal HDD hard drives. Great. And after that, we need the video card that supports minimum display resolution about 1280 by 720 pixels. And the base resolution for working with Visual Studio is 1366 by 768 pixels. This resolution is most common between the laptops, about 15 inches. Great. And after that, you can use different languages such as English, Chinese, and French, German, and other languages you can see over here. You can select the language during installation. It's not important matter, so you can do it easily. There's another additional requirement such as administrator user on your Windows for installation of Visual Studio and the .NET Framework 4.5 and other requirements. And remember, if you haven't one of these requirements on your Windows, the Visual Studio will show the appropriate message box. So don't worry about any of these requirements. Okay, great. Now it's time to start installation of Visual Studio. Stay with me with my great upcoming tutorial about installation of Visual Studio 2019. See you soon.